To remove wrinkles, guys, and to get a younger skin, you're going to be needing to use yogurt. Now you have to use unrefined and a fresh yogurt, as you can see how my own is. Now yogurt contains lactic acid plus vitamin E that helps to remove age-related problems on the skin, such as wrinkles, and it therefore helps in increasing the texture of the skin, improving the elasticity of the skin, and it also creates a glow on the skin. And then we're going to be making use of rice. Now in this remedy, we're going to be making use of the rice powder. You can actually use the fresh rice, okay? Rice is known to remove wrinkles. It is known for its whitening property that helps to remove dark spots, pigments, and age spot. So it's going to help also in removing all manner of age problems. We're going to be needing honey. Now honey is an almighty remedy that works wonders on the skin. It creates a glow on the skin, and it also helps to leave the skin looking supple and soft. It therefore makes the skin really glowing and polished. And the next ingredient is going to be banana. Now banana contains an ingredient that helps to soften the edges of the skin, therefore allowing product to get into the skin. So it works wonders on the skin by tightening up the skin, and it also removes fine lines and wrinkles. So how we're going to prepare this, guys, we're going to be cutting the banana. We're going to transfer the banana into a blender. So after successfully blending the banana, we're going to transfer into a bowl. We're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of yogurt, this is a teaspoon, this one is 1 teaspoon, so that's why I have to put 4 of that. 1 tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of rice powder, now we mix, okay? Mix and stir and stir and stir. Alright, so now it's properly mixed. Now let's apply this on the face. So guys, here is the treatment, and I'm going to be applying this particular one in a very different location. Okay, so you have to spread this all over your face. It smells good though. It's friendly enough to use at your under eye area. Okay, because there are some ingredients that you don't need to use at your under eye area, because the skin under the eye is really very sensitive. Okay, so it does not burn you or make that place darker. Okay, so after applying this, guys, then you have to leave it for it to dry, and this is how it is. Really looking beautiful. It's gonna dry, but though it might not completely dry, like super dry, but it's going to dry, and then you would have to wash it off with a lukewarm water or a normal water. Follow suit with a toilet soap, okay? And then your face is gonna glow. Now repeating this 3 to 4 times in a week is gonna make your skin look super duper young. So I'm gonna hold mine to dry, okay? Because prevention is better than cure. Even if you don't have wrinkles, you have to apply this to prevent it, okay?